So now I'm going to show you actually something which I don't think I'm going to use here, and it's going to be down here at the bottom. I'm going to click here and I'm going to add an adjustment layer. The adjustment layer that I'm going to add is going to be selective color, and the reason why you might want to use this is if you've got a color that you kind of want to take down or take out or something like that. So let's, I mean, I've got a lot of red in here, so I'll use this as an example. I'll click on the reds and I'm going to say, you know what, I'm going to make it a little, make the reds a little darker. You can play around, add a bit more yellow or less yellow to it. And so that really doesn't look very good. And a bit more magenta, cyan to it. And you can also say, how does it look without? How does it look with? I personally don't like it that much. But, you know, there's definitely some projects that you look at and you go, too much yellow. So you go in and you adjust the yellow or something like that. So there you go. Kind of useful. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to turn it off. So that way you can see in here that it's up here, but it's not being used. I can turn it on, turn it off as I wish and see how it looks before and after.